Hello Wildcats, this is Weber Cooks, and today we're doing chili cheese nachos. We start with a can of chili and open it up. And then the cheese sauce, we just take off the lid and we pop these both in the microwave. And we set the microwave for 4.5 minutes. And when that's done, we'll put them in a bowl and mix it up, and we'll have a dip for 3 to 6 people. Okay, the things are done. You got to be careful because the cheese sauce is really hot and the chili is hot also. We mix them both together and you open this up and have some on a plate, and there you have it, a dip that will satisfy a small group, and this will run you about $6, but when you figure that it will feed anywhere from 3 to 6 people, it will only cost you $1 or $2 per person. And I'm Stephen Reed, and this was Weber Cooks.